How to update Filto app? Want to enjoy the latest feature in Filto? Let's update the app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for the Filto in the search bar. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap it. Wait for the update to download and install. It usually takes a few seconds. We have another method. From the home screen, tap the profile icon. You will see the update list. Scroll down. If you see Filto on that update list, tap on update and it will download. Takes few seconds and open the update app and explore new features and improvement. Also, keep the app updated regularly to avoid bug and enjoy the newest effects and templates. And that's it. Your filter is now up to date. If you love this tutorial, hit like, share, subscribe for more editing tips. Catch you in the next one.